Jamie here at the Cape Town Science Centre. Today at the Science Corner we'll be discussing colours. So there are three primary colours and you can make all the different colours using those three primary colours. So let's first discuss what the three primary colours actually are. So I have these three beakers over here with some water in them, and I'm just going to add a drop of food colouring to each to demonstrate the three primary colours. Okay. Okay, so we've got our three primary colors over here, and that is red, blue and yellow. And in order to get more colors, we need to mix two of the primary colors. And the colors we'll be focusing on today, or making today, would be our secondary colors. So I'm going to start with an empty beaker over here, and I'll just place that there in front. And I'm going to add two of the primary colors, and let's see what color we make. Okay, so I've got the blue, I've got the red, and I'm going to add a little bit of blue in over there, and to that I'm going to add the red, and over here we have some purple. So that was mixing red and blue. So I'm going to leave the purple beaker over there, and let's try our secondary color. So I've got another empty beaker, and I'll just place that over there, and to that we're going to add some of the red and some of the yellow. So let's go ahead and add some yellow and then some red. Now we've got our secondary color, and that is orange. So I'm going to leave that over there, and let's do the last and final secondary color. So I've got another empty beaker, and I'll just place that over there. And for this one we're going to mix our blue and the yellow. And there you have it, guys. We've got three primary colors and three secondary colors. So I'm just going to place them nicely in order so you can see them. So we've got our three primary colors over here, which you guys would recall is red, blue and yellow. And then we've made three secondary colors, which is purple, orange and green. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and leave a comment on this video. And remember, always question, always wonder.